Hello folks, so I have a few projects going on here. So this one is my King Samurai and I have successfully regulated it. It lost 30 seconds a day and now it's down to about 10 seconds plus per day. So it gains 10 seconds. And how do I know that? Because in the last, 12 hours it gained 5 seconds. So in one day it gains 10 seconds. And this is what I prefer. I don't like when my watch is losing time. I want it to gain time rather than lose. So yeah, 10 seconds gain every day is fantastic. And how did I do that? Because I don't have a time grapher anymore. So every time I moved this lever here, which is, oh, where is my toothpick? Just a moment. So if you want to regulate it, you have to move this lever, sorry, and this little tooth here tells you where is the setting, and if you want it to go faster, you push it like this and it's gonna go to the plus direction. But you shouldn't touch the other one. Do not touch this one here, because with this one you can set the beat error, and you can only really set the beat error if you have a time grapher. And first you have to correct the beat error if there is any with this lever, but for that you really need a time grapher, and when it's done then you can set the accuracy with this one. Actually I did set the beat error on my SKX, because back then I had a time grapher, and the beat error is, if it's between 0 and 0.3 milliseconds, it's alright, but my SKX had like 0.9 or maybe 1.1 milliseconds beat error, which is a lot. So what I did, I first got the beat error down to as close to 0 as possible, then I made the regulation with this one. But you know, I don't have a time grapher anymore. I have no idea what is the beat error on this watch, but I know that the accuracy was bad. So now it's a success, and so I'm gonna close it up now. I'm gonna put back the case back. Now the other project I have is the Triton, because yeah, I had this sapphire bezel insert from Long Island watch, which I failed to properly install 2 times. So I have wasted one bezel insert, the other one is a bit damaged, but I'm not even trying to install it again, because it just didn't work. Yeah, whatever. So I put back the original insert. What did I do? I just removed it, and then I have this GS Hypo cement, and this is the right glue to use. This kind of glue is the right one to use for gluing the bezel insert and stuff like that, because this kind of glue is it's flexible, so you have time to get the alignment right, and it's also water resistant. Yeah, so that's what's happening here now. I'm waiting for the glue to to finish its job, and I'm closing this one up. Yeah, and by the way, every time on this one, every time I change the accuracy with this lever here, I synced it up with my G-Shock, and you know, I observed the time like every few hours, and you can, after even 1 hour, you can see if the setting is good or not, because if your watch gains like 1 second after an hour, you know that it's gonna be 24 seconds a day, and it's too much. So if you watch gains like 1 second in 4 hours or whatever, you know the setting is gonna be good. Yeah, so that's how you can do it without a time grapher. Yeah, actually that's it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.